YouTube, what is good? It is brick out today. It is so cold. Ah, my hand. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Yo, it is brick today. All of y'all showed me love on my last video trying the Coquito Latte. I had to pull up, and everybody in the comments was telling me to check out this spot called Buddies. Yo, so much so that even Buddies themselves popped into the comments and showed love. So you already know I had to come out and check them out. I'm excited. It is a really cold day today. I don't come out on the weekdays. Like a day like today, I would just stay in the house and be in hibernation mode, but I couldn't wait. Here we are, man. It's right across the street, so I hope they're still open, man. I hope so. We'll see. Luckily, we were able to make it to Buddies before they close. It is a weekday, so they do close at 3:30. Taylor recognized me instantly as the guy from the internet, and we chopped it up for a bit about the come up of Buddies and how his wife Rachel and him built this place from the ground up in 2020. Sadly, Rachel was not there, but looking forward to meeting her one day and vibing out over a cup of coffee. You already know I got the Coquito Latte, and it was dope to learn that all the recipes and blends are family recipes and that the ingredients they use are authentic and stays true to the Puerto Rican culture. So we just left Buddies and we met with Taylor, who is co-owner of the coffee shop. Yo, bro, definitely passed the vibe check. Once you walk into the shop, like, you feel at home, bro. Like, it's just such a vibe in there. Everything that they got, how the setup is, they got a little seating area. I got the Coquito Latte. You already know. You guys were telling me in the comments. After tax and tip and all that, it ran me about like $10. So it's not bad. Cheers, y'all. Yo, this is so good. I'm drinking it like water right now. Like, I'm almost done, bro. Look at this. And it's still hot. Me and Taylor were talking for a good amount of time. But yo, it's still hot. It is delicious. Come check them out. Buddies, 150 Grand Street. Trust. Definitely check it out. Thank you guys. Bro, it is so good. It is good. Yo, that dude is so cool, bro. I feel like we're best friends. Are we best friends? Are we best friends? I don't know. But wow, bro. Chat. Boom. The flavor on this is everything. You taste the cinnamon, you taste... I don't even know how to make this. Coquito Latte, Coquito period. Like, I don't know how to make it. Like, just my friends in general, every holiday, they will bless me with a bottle, a cup, whatever. But this right here, it's good to know that anytime you could pull up and get some Coquito all year round, you know? So it's amazing. Oh my God. I gotta rate this a 9.6. 9.6. Easily 9.6. The story is amazing, man. Taylor and his wife Rachel, shout out to Rachel, by the way. She pulled up to the comment and definitely showed some love on the last video. Yeah, no disrespect to the other spot, but this blows that spot out the water. I can't even front, man. Hey, the other spot's good. But this is like pure, bro. This is authentic. Like, it just tastes delicious. Yo, 150 Grand Street, trust.